Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn statistics and data analysis together, step by step. 3 ways to describe the center of data. The mean is the average. Add everything up and divide by how many numbers there are. The median is the middle value once the list is sorted from low to high. The mode is whatever value appears most often. The biggest slip-up on the SAT is finding the median without sorting first. Always sort, then locate the middle. Range measures spread, the largest value minus the smallest. An outlier is a number sitting far from the rest. Here's the key idea the SAT tests. Outliers drag the mean toward themselves, sometimes a lot, but the median barely moves. So if a dataset has one huge or tiny value, the median is usually the more reliable measure of the center. Quiz scores are 7, 12, 9, 15, and 12. For the mean, add them. That's 55. Divided by 5 is 11. For the median, sort the list. 7, 9, 12, 12, 15. The middle value is 12. The mode is 12 as well, since it shows up twice. Notice the mean and median are close here, because there's no extreme outlier in this set. Hourly wages are 18, 20, 22, 24, and 116. The mean is 200 divided by 5, which is 40. But the median, the middle value, is just 22. See how that one large value, 116, pulls the mean all the way up to 40? 22 describes the typical worker far better. This mean versus median question is a classic SAT setup. Here's your data toolkit. 1. Mean is the sum divided by the count. 2. For median, sort the list first, then grab the middle. 3. Range is max minus min. 4. Outliers swing the mean, but leave the median steady. On test day, read tables and charts carefully, and let Desmos add long lists for you. Understanding what the numbers mean is what earns the points. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.